Good morning YouTube, welcome to this beautiful Saturday here in the heart of Cornish land. Now I have not been to Cornwall since I was a little sprog, so this is an entirely new experience to me. This place is absolutely stunning. Lovely weather, beautiful landscape, got to get some lovely shots here with my Mini 3 Pro, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We've got a lovely calm sea behind me, we've got the cliffs over there, and let's just explore together and see what we can find. So I do hope you folks enjoy this video, and if you do, please remember to tap the thumbs up button and subscribe for future drone content right here on my channel. Okay, and away we go. And I think I'm going to get plenty of line of sight today on the drone. But right now I am flying with my ND filter, an ND32 filter, and I only ever fly nowadays with an ND filter installed. I just find the footage that I can capture with those manual exposure settings, which I have set as you can see, to be so much better. I really do. And there is a bird that's taken a liking to my drone there, so let's just be careful. Okay, yeah, slight issue. I did have to stop recording yesterday morning. A bunch of swallows started circling the drone, just orbiting it, and I could just tell they weren't happy. Last thing I wanted was for them to attack the drone. Obviously I didn't want to injure any birds, I didn't want to disturb them, and I kind of don't want to lose the Mini 3 Pro while I'm on holiday either, if I'm honest with you. And what we did was we went out for a little walk and we found a little bit of a location where there were no birds nearby. I was able to take the drone out a couple of hours later and get some lovely shots. Now I wasn't out as long as I would have liked to because it was getting very, very hot, but I did capture some wonderful landscapes which I'm going to share with you. But let me show you what I did get later yesterday afternoon. Indeed, on our walk, found this very quiet location. It seemed very secluded. There was no other people around at all, which is just perfect when you want to come and fly your Mini 3 Pro. By this point, it had already gotten very, very hot, so I didn't expect to be able to stay out too late. And because of how bright it was, I did switch over to an ND64 filter. Annoyingly, I had forgotten to bring my drone pad, but fortunately for me, my Skyreach case is perfect for taking off from in these situations. You can see why I really wanted to get the drone out here, such beautiful views. But before we switch back over to the drone view, I just want to share this quick word about the video sponsor. Indeed, a big thank you to Hollyland for sponsoring this video by sending me this, their Solidcom C1 wireless intercom. This is a wonderful setup if you are going to be out and about with team members, whether you are flying your drones with one another or just performing any other number of activities. Being able to communicate is super important. And the Solidcom C1 comes with packages from 2 headsets up to 6 headsets. The wireless range is up to 1,100 feet in complete line of sight. The audio quality is superb. I found the comfortability of these to be second to none. Once you've put them on, they are just a joy to wear. And unlike other wireless intercoms, there is no additional hub required. You simply take these headsets out of the box, turn them on, and they are automatically paired and ready to go. We've been using these a lot since they turned up. We've had a lot of fun with them, but more importantly, they are super practical. A single battery charge can last up to 10 hours, and all the batteries can be charged together in the included hub. The Solidcom C1 is definitely a professional system. If I had to sum it up in one word, I think effortless would be that word. It just works. And the whole thing is fully expandable as well. So if you are in the market for a new wireless intercom system, then please do check out the Solidcom C1. I'll leave a link in the video description. Welcome back. The Mini 3 Pro's just taken off. Away we go. Honestly, folks, if you have access to a drone and you are anywhere near Cornwall, then make sure you come down and take your time because you will capture some of the most beautiful landscapes that are available to be captured here in the UK. And I know some people consider it to be a little bit gimmicky, but the hyperlapse is one of my favourite features available with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And with such a beautiful landscape, I had to get at least one. Honestly, folks, I had such a great day here flying my Mini 3 Pro. Now, I was a little bit concerned because the weather had just gotten so hot by this point. But seriously, this drone just handled it like a champ. It did a far better job, actually, than I did. I was absolutely sweating by this point. It was so warm. And in all honesty, I don't get to fly over the sea all that much because I don't live by a beach. Now, it's always a little bit more of a nerve-wracking experience when you're not used to it. And honestly, it just provides a little bit more exhilaration. I know it sounds strange, but I have to say that flying over water, it's sort of a different experience than flying over land. But of course, I kept the drone well within line of sight, especially because of the bird incident that I just had. But fortunately, there was no further problems, and I had some of the greatest fun I've ever had with my Mini 3 Pro. And I've purposefully not colour graded this footage, apart from the hyperlapse, because not everybody wants to spend their time in editing software, and I really just wanted to showcase what the Mini 3 Pro is capable of straight out of the box. And I hope you folks will agree that this is just amazing. When you think this drone weighs under 250 grams, just think how much this technology has come on over the years and where it might go in the near future. But I do hope you folks were able to enjoy the sights of Cornwall around this area known as Looe. Such beautiful sights out there, and I would strongly encourage and recommend this place to you folks if you are able to visit at all. But I am going to be trying different places as well, so expect more videos similar to this with my Mini 3 Pro going forward if this is what you want to see. So thank you so much for watching today. Please don't forget to just drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for future Mini 3 Pro content. Have a wonderful day, guys. We're off out now. I'll see you next time. Bye.